In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a round logo in Canva. Whether you're a business owner looking to create a brand identity or just someone who loves getting creative, Canva is a fantastic tool to help bring your visions to life. So let's dive in and explore how you can design a round logo in just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll first want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This search bar is your gateway to a plethora of design possibilities. Simply type in "round logo" to tap into Canva's extensive library of designs specifically curated for round logos. From the minimalist to the elaborate, this search will help you find templates that match a wide range of styles and preferences. After entering round logo in the search bar, hit enter. Canva will then present you with a variety of template options, each with its unique aesthetic. Take a moment to browse through them carefully. Think about the message and the vibe you want your logo to convey. A logo, after all, can say a lot about the brand or identity it represents. The power of using a template lies in its ability to provide a solid base, especially if you're not a professional designer. Once a particular design catches your eye, don't hesitate to click on it. Now, it's time to make this template truly yours. On the Templates page, you'll notice an option labeled Customize this template. Clicking on it will whisk you away to Canva's editor, a versatile playground where creativity knows no bounds. In the editor, you'll have the freedom to modify and personalize every aspect of your template so it aligns perfectly with your brand or style. Editing the text on your logo is a crucial step in this customization process. Click on any piece of text within the design to start tailoring it. You're not limited to changing just the words. You can also experiment with fonts, adjust sizes, and even play around with color choices. Think carefully about the message your logo needs to communicate, and adjust the text to reflect that. This is your chance to get creative, so don't hold back. Try out different font combinations and colors until you find the perfect match that resonates with your vision. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to create a stunning round logo using Canva. This process is all about unleashing your creativity, so have fun with it. Dive deeper into Canva's tools, experiment, and keep refining your design until it encapsulates the essence of your brand or personal style. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.